up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Doors, Light My Fire. Cool. I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, you gotta, they're a little bit flat, so you gotta check you go a little bit flat on the guitar. But anyway, so we got 4 parts to this song. We got the intro, we got the main verses, we got the chorus, and then we got the solo section. So let's go with the verse first and the chorus, and then we're gonna do the intro and the solo part. Okay, verses are really easy. It's A minor, 1, 2, 3, to F sharp minor, bar 2nd fret, 4, 4, A minor to F sharp, F sharp, so that's every main verse, and then we have the chorus. We got G major, 1, 2, 3, to A major, to D major, and then second time G major, A major, D, and B7. 1, 2, 3, B7, and then last time G, A major to E major. 1, 2, 3. So G, A, they do a little sus thing there. D, D sus. Add your pinky on the 3rd fret, high E string. G, A, sus, G, A, D, B7, G major, A, E, back to A minor. Okay, chorus coming up. G major, the super long instrumental section with the keyboards and the electric guitar. That's A minor to B minor forever. So bar 2nd fret, 4, 4, 3, A minor, B minor, A minor. Could be easier to play it here because it's pretty fast switching. Better here, I think. I keep the high E string open. That's that electric guitar part that plays that through the whole solo section. That's open A, 3, A, 2, D, and then over B, 2, 5, 4. Alright, so that's 3 parts right there. Verses, A minor, F sharp minor, A minor, F sharp minor. Chorus, G, A, D, G, A, D, B7, and then G, A, E. And then solo, A minor, B minor, A minor, B minor. Alright, and then we have the intro. That's the hardest part, I think, because we got a bunch of bar chords. We got starts on D, G major. G major, D major, and then F major, B flat. So move F major from 1, so the bar F major here, bar 1, 3, 3, 2. Move that to 6, so that's B flat major, and then we have E flat major. So starting on the A string, 6, 8, 8, 8 to A flat major, and end on A major. There you go, guys. Light My Fire by The Doors. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe. Take it easy.